Painting high walls on stairs? No problem, watch me set up my Ladder-Aide Pro for the first time. Look at that massive wall. Time to conquer it. Meet my new best friend, the compact Ladder-Aide Pro. Just 3 pins and we are ready to roll. Here are the parts to our stair painting magic. Let's attach this base with the pin. Top component, you're up next. Put them together like puzzle pieces. Adjust the height for the perfect fit. Ladders in place, let's get painting. Voila, Ladder-Aide Pro to the rescue. Happy painting, folks!